Hello everyone. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about rubber closures and secondary packaging. Learning objectives. Role of rubber closer, polymer used in the rubber closures, quality control test for rubber closer, and the last one, secondary packaging. We will start with the introduction. Rubber is a material that is used in the pharmaceutical business to create dropper, assemblies, cap liners, and closures. The rubber stopper is mostly utilized with disposable syringes and numerous dosage vials, aqueous parenteral bottles, closure made of rubber powder and freeze-dried powder preparation. We can see the rubber closures. Polymer used in rubber closure. The basic type of polymer in rubber formulations are saturated and unsaturated elastomer, or a combination of the two. The following classification list of the polymer utilized as parenteral closures. Unsaturated elastomer: polyisoprene natural or synthetic, polybutadiene, strain butadiene rubber, nitrile butadiene rubber, polychloropyrene rubber. So saturated elastomers are copolymer or polyisobutylene and polyisoprene, ethylene propylene rubber, ethylene propylene diene rubber, silicone rubber. QC test for rubber closures. The first one is sterility testing. A test known as sterility test verifies that a product is free of the existence of living microorganisms. This test can reveal whether a pharmaceutical product or device contains viable types of bacteria, fungi, or yeast. So the second one is fragmentation test. By punching the rubber closure with a hypodermic syringe, the fragmentation tests are used to compare the number of fragments discovered in water with that of another rubber closure. Fragmentation test for rubber closures. Take 12 clean containers. Each should have 4 ml of water in them. For 16 hours, seal the container with a closure and caps. Apply a hypodermic needle to the cap to press it. For each closing, repeat the process 4 times and note how many fragments are evident on the rubber closures. Now take a pause and let's recall what we have discussed, like what do you mean by rubber closures and what are the QC tests for rubber closures. Let's move forward and discuss about fragmentation test for dry preparation. Cell seal ability, pH of aqueous extract, light absorption test, reducing substances, reduce on evaporations. Now we will discuss about secondary packaging. The packaging that is located outside of the primary packaging is referred to as secondary packaging. Perhaps primary packages are grouped together using it. For instance, paper and boards, cartoons, boards, cartoon, corrugated fibers, and box manufacturing. In this picture, we can see this strips is a primary packaging and the box outer part is a secondary packaging. Ideal properties of secondary packaging materials are to bear the strain during shipping. The dimensions must be suitable. It shouldn't have an impact on the basis packaging. It should be strong enough to support the material. The dimensions should be appropriate to withstand the stress during the transportation. Thank you, everyone.